Hello and welcome! Hey, if you're an engineer who's ready to really kickstart your career with one of India's absolute titans of industry, then you're gonna want to stick around. Today, we're diving deep into a huge opportunity, the Tata Steel Aspiring Engineers Program for 2026. Let's jump right in.
So let's just start with the biggest question of all, right? Are you actually ready to take all that knowledge from your degree and throw it at some real-world challenges? Because that's what this is all about. It's a direct shot from the classroom into the very heart of the engineering world.
Okay, first things first. What exactly is this Aspiring Engineers Program, or AEP as they call it? Well, think of it as your launchpad. Let's see what it's all about. So, at its core, the AEP is Tata Steel's massive pan-India search for the next wave of great engineering minds. You come on board as an engineer trainee, and they start investing in you from day one. And let's be super clear, this is not an internship. This is the start of a real, long-term career. And where could you end up? We're not talking about being stuck behind a desk somewhere. No way. These are hands-on, critical roles. You could be in operations, literally keeping the plants running, or in maintenance, making sure all that heavy machinery is in perfect shape, or in mining, right at the source, or even in engineering and projects, building the future. These are the real deal, foundational roles.
All right, now for the million-dollar question. Are you the right fit? Let's break down all the eligibility criteria so you can see if your profile is exactly what Tata Steel is looking for. Pay close attention to this part.
Okay, so who are they looking for? Well, Tata Steel is casting a pretty wide net here for core engineering talent. If your degree is in mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical, metallurgy, or mining, you are definitely in the running. They also say related branches, which is great news, so if your specialization is kind of close to one of these, I'd say it's for sure worth a shot.
And what about the other key stuff? Well, you'll need a BE, B.Tech, or a B.Sc in engineering. And what's really cool is that this is open to both final year students and recent grads, anyone from the 2022 batch onwards. So whether you're about to finish your degree or you've already got it, this could be for you.
So, you tick all the boxes. You're eligible. Now, what happens next? This is the exciting part. What does your future actually look like if you get in? Because this isn't just a job, it's a very deliberately designed career path. It's built to take you from a trainee all the way up towards leadership. Let's see how that works.
The progression they've laid out is incredibly clear and fast. You start out as an engineer trainee, and right away you're in a one-year, super structured training program. This is where you learn the ropes, the Tata Steel way, and really build your practical skills. But here's the kicker. After you successfully finish that year, you're placed as an assistant manager. That is a massive career jump in just 12 months.
And this quote really says it all, doesn't it? The whole program is designed as a deep dive. It's intense, it's immersive, and the whole point is to get you beyond the textbook theory. It's about building the skills that actually matter in the industry and putting your career on the fast track. You're building a foundation for leadership, and you're doing it quickly. Okay, if you're excited about this, it's time for the most important part, the action plan. Your chance to apply is open right now, but you know what? It's not going to be open for long. Let's look at the exact dates and the link you absolutely need.
Please pay close attention to these dates. Applications opened back on February 16th, and they are going to slam shut on March 9th, 2026. That is not a lot of time, so if you're interested, you have got to get moving. Don't put this off until the last minute.
And here it is. This is the official link. This is where you need to go. I would seriously suggest you pause right here, take a screenshot, or just type this directly into your browser now. Again, it's tslhr.tatasteel.co.in/recruit/AEP26.ASPX. This is your gateway. Don't lose it.
So, we've covered the what, the why, and the how. The only question left is the one right here. This is a real chance to join a legacy company, to be a part of projects that literally build and shape the nation. So what do you say? Will you take that first step? Will you build your future with Tata Steel? The opportunity is right there for you.